If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day. Why is this called Aftertaste? Somebody said that Anderson Paak got Dean off the stairs. Stop it. Don't give that man a reason to just never come out with music again, please. We just got him back. Dean, Anderson Paak, Aftertaste. Let's get it. Let's go. It's from the original movie picture soundtrack of K-pops.
That bass, that shape, that walk, I'ma need that. Give it to me. That taste, that waist, that pretty ass face, I'ma need that.
You need that.
That toxic, mean girl, drama, karma, I'ma need that.
Need that.
That taste, that waist, that pretty ass face, I'ma need that.
Oh, incoming. Them joints. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. It's a banger. Taste. Pretty ass face, I'ma need that. Hey.
Running through the city where you at with it. Pretty with an attitude to match.
Hey, hey.
You a good girl, but you bad with it.
Hey.
So every time you leave, I can handle it.
Handle
I just
it.
wanna come over and dismantle
it.
Two-tone in the driveway. Daddy home, it's too long since you saw me.
Oh, I just realized the shadow of Dean was there. That's crazy of a shot, actually.
Every time you leave, I can handle it. I just wanna come over and dismantle it. Two-tone in the driveway. Daddy home.
Oh, that's crazy. That's a dope shot. That's a dope shot. It's pretty simple, but it's like the right placement. Ooh, this adds to the playlist for real. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Did he dance with it too? I like his outfit. I'ma need that. Pretty ass face, I'ma need that. I don't need that toxic, mean girl, comma, drama, whatever he said. Yeah, you could keep that at the door. Unless the comma means the commas, meaning like in my bank account, I'll take that. Ooh. Aftertaste. Hey. Hey. I want your aftertaste. Hey, hey. I don't know what I'm doing. This song got me acting freaky. Hey, hey, hey. Your aftertaste. Dang. Yo, the combination of Dean and Anderson Paak is chef's kiss. Have you heard their first collab together? The music video is crazy. She said, if you want this, it's yours, it's yours. I don't even gotta think about it. I don't even gotta talk about it. And she said, what is Dean's wait, what is Dean's beanie remind me of Coolio? I can see that. Like a pineapple in the previous MV. Ooh, look here, baby. Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. I just wanna put my hands on you. I just wanna put my hands on you.
That bass, that shape, that walk, I'ma need that.
I'ma need that.
That taste, that waist, that pretty ass face,
I'ma need that. That toxic mean girl drama, comma, I'ma need that.
That taste, that waist, that pretty ass face,
I'ma need that.
I feel the passion in here.
Bro, Dean's voice is just. I wish he would make more music, bro. We need an album, Dean. We need an album, Dean. So good, so good. All right. Well, that's Dean, Anderson Paak, Aftertaste. Put a comments down below what you guys think. This is Jihyo and Jenevieve, and then I'll do Baby Monster as well. Who's Jenevieve? What song, do I know any song from Jenevieve? Oh, this was she. Wait, I feel like I've heard this. I definitely heard this. This is definitely on Hedges playlist. Spelled Hvnly. Jenevieve, featuring Jihyo of Twice. Do I need captions? No, right?
Just don't know why. I think of you when I close my eyes.
Oh, really?
You love to stay on my mind.
Ooh.
Swear I say goodbye. Something to 100 times. Wants to be my favorite reply.
Hey.
He must be an angel.
She out here fast and furious.
I think I found a reason to believe I'm on the
Oh my God, Jihyo. Hey. Ooh. She has a good voice too, man. Heavenly. S-O-H-E heavenly. So heavenly. S-O-H-E heavenly. Ooh. What you telling me, girl? Hey. Staying alive. Is this an in and out? Where is this? I love Jihyo, bro. Hey. Heavenly. S-O-H-E heavenly. Hey. Ooh, okay, two-step. So heavenly. H-O-H-E. S-O-H-E heavenly. I want to see the thought process of this song. If they worked on it together. Oh, that's not even in and out. Don't know what that is. That works for me. What's that shit that works for you? Hey, 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 hey. Heavenly, S-O-H-E heavenly. Aw, she coming in twins, Tims.
Just don't know why. I think of you when I close my eyes.
What a great start, though. Bro, Jihyo takes the girlies and the guys. You under his spell? All right, y'all. Put a comment down below what you guys think of Jihyo and Jenevieve, or Jenevieve featuring Jihyo of Twice, called Heavenly. S-O-H Heavenly. You know, put a comment down below. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Again, I'm live on Twitch. If you are watching from Twitch, so they say, what's up, YouTube? Say what's up right now. Be sure to check out the Patreon. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Keep on dreaming, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work through it, it might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey! You better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.